and gentlemen, please take your seats. The show will be starting in 2 minutes' time.
Welcome to the Friendship Circle. Please turn off your phone. The show is about to begin.
What is the sound of happiness? To an athlete, it might sound like this. To a musician, it sounds like this. To a child with special needs, happiness might sound like this.
For Mayor, me and Lauren worked with him every Sunday for 2 hours, and he definitely at the beginning it was hard because he wasn't used to us, so he always wanted to go to his parents, but definitely towards the end he would be really excited when we got there. It was a lot of fun. Besides walking, we would play inside. He liked listening to all the tapping noises. He liked looking out the window. And we tried to teach him to walk a little bit. We would like hold him up and he would walk, which was really cute. And I hope that he starts to walk and is happy.
Friendship Circle made a tremendous difference in my son's life. Two young men who's been spending time with him. First of all, amazing just by nature. They are very open-minded, they very open-hearted. But besides the fact that they have this natural ability to empathize with someone, they also have ability to learn. And throughout the period of time that we spent together, they learned things about Joseph. They understood certain things. They almost professionally started feel what may or may not happen. Those boys are a unique experience in my son's life because not too many people on their own will stick around for so long. I think that Joey truly feels that they are his friends.
Just living in the miracle, candles on my vehicle, 8 nights, gonna shine invincible, no longer be divisible. Born through the struggle, keep on moving through all this hustle. Head up, head down through all of the bustle. New York City, wanna flex your muscle. Look so down, look so puzzled. Heart around your fire through all the rubble. Bound to stumble and fall, but my strength comes not from man at all. Bound to stumble and fall, but my strength comes not from man at all. Do you believe in miracles? And am I hearing you? So am I seeing you? 8 nights and 8 lights, and these rights keep me right and bless me to the highest heights with your miracle. Against all odds, drive on till tomorrow. Wipe away your tears and your sorrow. Sunrise in the sky, like an arrow. No need to worry, no need to cry. Light up your mind, no longer be blind. Him who searches will find. Leave your problems behind, you will shine like a fire in the sky. What's the reason we're alive? The reason we're alive. I stumble and fall, but my strength comes not from man at all. Bound to stumble and fall, but my strength comes not from man at all. Do you believe in miracles? Am I hearing you? Am I seeing you? In 8 nights and 8 lights, and these rights keep me right and bless me to the highest heights with your miracle.
It's a number of infinity, one more than what you know how to be. And this is the light of festivity, when your broken heart yearns to be free. Do you believe in miracles? Am I hearing you? Am I seeing you? 8 nights and 8 lights, and these rights keep me right. Bless me to the highest heights with your miracle. Do you believe in miracles? And am I hearing you? Am I seeing you? 8 nights and 8 lights, and these rights keep me right and bless me to the highest heights with your miracle.
There are not many times in your life when you get to be a part of something bigger than yourself, when you get to be a part of a larger community, especially a Jewish community. Friendship Circle provides that experience and so much more. I've had the best year with all of you guys. I loved spending all this time with you, and I hope we can all stay in touch next year. Like, I am gonna miss you all so much, and I wouldn't give up this experience for anything.
The Friendship Circle is about sounds like this. It's about breaking down barriers. Barriers to accepting a person for who he or she is. Because of the power of love to heal and to help. What is the sound of the Friendship Circle? It's the sound of many hearts beating as one. The Friendship Circle, building a better world, one special sound at a time.